This is Prime from Awesome Tech Gaming Pro. I hope you all are well. Today I'm going to unbox the Lens V Chinese brand Gamepad. This Gamepad has two motor vibration stimulate feature. Model number L4000 Lens V. This is fully compatible with Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating system, USB 2.0 plug and play. It has two axis 12 button design. The game you can enjoy analog mode and digital mode with free switch and bring more fun for games. It is reliable for 3D ergonomic design, comfortable feel tired easily, sensitive keys, handy manipulation, dual vibration motors, the real stimulation game scene. That's the arrow key and action buttons. This is joystick. This is clear button, turbo mode. So let's unbox. I have seen several colors like red, blue, black, and this one is white one. I like the white one color, that's why I picked this gamepad. Looks nice. This is wired gamepad. This is the arrow keys and action buttons. This is the action buttons and this is the arrow keys. This is joystick and this one is clear button. This one is turbo mode, clear button, auto. You don't need any driver on Windows 11 operating system. You just plug and play. Looks really nice. This one is my previous gamepad. I used this 12 years. After 12 years it doesn't work. Long lasting gamepad. So goodbye to this, and now this one is really nice, guys. So if you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. That's it from now. Cheers.